How to use Lowe's MyLowe's reward. To use MyLowe's reward, you must first earn points through eligible purchase, which then convert into MyLowe's money for use on future orders. First of all, what you need is identify yourself. That means you have to scan your member ID from the Lowe's mobile app. For that, you just need to go to the wallet section or provide your phone number to the cashier, and that's how you'll be able to identify. And you could also ensure you're signed into your account before making a purchase as well. And you typically earn points for every $1 spent on a qualifying purchase. For standard members, you can earn up to 1,000 points, that equals to $5 in MyLow's wallet. And you could also look for a point booster or bonus point offer in an app to reach reward faster by purchasing specific item or completing profile task as well. And once you earn the enough points, your rewards are automatically added to your digital wallet. And you could just open the Lowe's app, navigate to your wallet section, the rewards, and have the cashier scan the barcode at the checkout, and you could be able to save your money and use wallet or your rewards as well. So this is how you can use Lowe's My Rewards. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.